that it can design new microchips. They plan to automate the entire chip design process. There was a lot of exciting AI news this week, so let's check them out one by one. First, we have the OpenAI voice model. It has finally come out, so let's check out their demos.
Hey ChatGPT, I want to apologize to my grandma for being really late.
Oh, that's sweet of you to think about apologizing. How about something like, Grandma, I'm really sorry for being so late. I didn't mean to keep you waiting. Can I make it up to you?
She only speaks Mandarin.
Got it. You could say, 奶奶，对不起，我迟到了。我不是故意让您等这么久的。我可以怎么补偿您呢？ This shows your apology and willingness to make it up to her.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. I hope it goes well with your grandma.
So it's written here, it can also say, sorry, I'm late in over 50 languages. We've heard it talk in Chinese right here, but I don't know Chinese actually, so if you do know it, tell me how it was in the comments. It was released for L Plus and Team users, so if you have an OpenAI subscription, you can use it right now, check it out. And it has 5 new voices actually, so let's check that out.
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward to working together. Let's figure out where to start. What's on your mind?
Oh,
So this was
glad to
Bruce,
meet you.
now Arbor.
I think we're going to do great work together. Where should we start?
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get
Maple.
started.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind.
I'm ready to go.
And Soul. So yeah, those Scarlett Johansson voice now, but let me know what you think about these voices in the comments too. Unfortunately though, this model is not available in EU, the UK, Switzerland, Iceland, Norway, and Liechtenstein. But if you're from any of those countries, don't worry. People have tested it and it works with VPN, so just use VPN and you can still access the voice model, if you have the OpenAI subscription of course. So a few more examples from the voice model. This video shows that you can set custom instructions to it, so you can tell it about yourself. Like for example, she's here saying that her name is Charlotte, and she lives in the Bay Area, and then when talking to it, she just asks the voice model what to do this weekend, and she's getting an answer that's keeping in mind what she has told it here. So let's check that out.
What are some fun things I can do outside this weekend? The weather looks great.
That sounds like a perfect opportunity to explore the Bay Area. You could take a hike in the Muir Woods, enjoy a picnic at Crissy Field with a view of the Golden Gate Bridge, or take a scenic drive down Highway 1 to explore the coastline. How does that sound for a start?
So yeah, you can see here that it has remembered everything that she said in the input. Also, it is not said here in these Twitter posts, however, apparently this model only has a limit of 30 minutes per day. Google DeepMind has released AlphaChip model, and it says here that it can design new microchips. That sounds very exciting, because that could be the potential start of actual recursive self-improvement. So let's check out a bit more about it. So how it works, here it says that it starts from a blank grid. AlphaChip places one circuit component at a time until it's done placing all the components. Then it's rewarded based on the quality of the final layout. A novel edge-based graph neural network allows AlphaChip to learn the relationships between interconnected chip components and to generalize across chips, letting AlphaChip improve with each layout it designs. Here the animation of it's doing its work. They're saying here that they have been using it in every generation of Google TPUs since publication in 2020. These chips make it possible to massively scale up AI models based on Google's transformer architecture. To design TPU layouts, AlphaChip first practices on a diverse range of chip blocks from previous generations, such as on-chip and inter-chip network blocks, memory controllers, and data transport buffers. This process is called pre-training. Then we run AlphaChip on current TPU blocks to generate high-quality layouts. Unlike prior approaches, AlphaChip becomes better and faster as it solves more instances of the chip placement tasks, similar to how human experts do. With each new generation of TPU, including our latest Trillium 6th generation, AlphaChip has designed better chip layouts and provided more of the overall floor plan. accelerating the design cycle and yielding higher performance chips. So yeah, and here they show that they've been using it quite a lot. Here it shows AlphaChip placed blocks in TPU designs. So their latest Trillium actually placed 25 blocks in their new TPU design. So if I can now make better chips, then be trained on these better chips to make even better chips, this could be actually huge news for progress we have in AI. And this post right here by Demis Hassabis, the CEO of DeepMind, actually says exactly that. Feedback loop. Train SATA chip design model, AlphaChip, use it to design better AI chips, use them to train better models, to design better chips. Part of the reason why our TPU stack is so good. And they also say that AlphaChip is just the beginning, and they plan to automate the entire chip design process in the future, dramatically accelerating the design cycle and unlocking new frontiers in performance through superhuman algorithms and end-to-end co-optimizations of hardware, software, and machine learning models. However, not only OpenAI has a voice model now. Their competitor, Meta AI, has actually showed their own voice model too, so let's check out a preview of it.
A way of interacting with AI than text. And probably, I think it has the potential to be one of, if not the most frequent ways that we all interact with AI. It is just a lot better. So now you're going to be able to have natural voice conversations with Meta AI across all the major apps. You got, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook. We want to make this fun. All right. So in addition to the different system voices that we built in that I think are pretty good, we've also worked with some of the most iconic voices out there to bring them to Meta AI, like John Cena, Judi Dench, Kristen Bell, Keegan-Michael Key, and Awkwafina. Should we try it out? All right. Hey, are live demos risky?
Live demos can be risky, yes. They can be unpredictable, prone to technical issues, and potentially embarrassing. However, they can also be engaging,
All right,
memorable.
but I'm going to do it anyway.
Go for it. Just be prepared for anything to happen. Fingers crossed.
Thanks, Awkwafina.
So yeah, it definitely doesn't sound as good as OpenAI's voice model. However, it seems that other companies are actually catching up, and OpenAI may not be so far ahead. And another cool feature of it, you could see that it has many custom voices, so that's cool too. And another demo by them shows that you can actually make a virtual avatar of yourself now.
And resilience in our rapidly evolving digital world.
Well, I saw a video of the epic outdoor standing desk that you wrote the book at. Is being in nature and standing desks important for your creative process?
Being in nature and using a standing desk is crucial for my creative process. It helps me think more clearly and come up with my best ideas. I'm way more creative and focused when I'm outdoors.
I'm going to try to stuff you with this one. Do you have any tips on cattle ranching?
I don't have any tips on cattle ranching. My expertise lies in technology and design, not agriculture. Oh. This gun found on the deal wide. Whoa! Woo!
So yeah, you can see the person that AI avatar is based off is standing right here while he's talking to it. So this is actually crazy. What would you do if you could make an AI avatar that would just talk for you like that? Would you actually use that? Meta AI has also introduced their new AR glasses with a funny name, so let's read about it for a bit. Here on why augmented reality glasses, they're saying that they enable digital experiences that are unconstrained by the limits of a smartphone screen, so that's true. With large holographic displays, you can use the physical world as your canvas, placing 2D and 3D content and experiences anywhere you want. And they're also saying that they're lightweight and great for both indoor and outdoor use. So yeah, you can see that they pretty much look like normal glasses, just a bit bulkier. And they seamlessly integrate contextual AI that can sense and understand the world around you, in order to anticipate and proactively address your needs. So let's check out their demos. Here we can see that you can be in a video meeting with them, and it actually looks pretty cool, I would say. And also you can ask it what you see before your eyes, and it will actually label things for you. So here we can see it labels pineapple, cacao, chia seed, and everything else, and it shows a recipe for you from these things. And yeah, they just look like bulky normal glasses, so let me know if you would wear that kind of AR device. These were all the news I wanted to share with you for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also check out our special Discord server. See you in the next videos.